Hey guys, have I got a product for you? The guys over at UKGBIC sent me this small, really cute but really compact, clever audio recording device. Essentially, it's a cheap alternative to one of the big brands out there. Just to show you how tiny it is, here's a glass bottle of Coke, and here's how small this recording device is. I mean, it can slip into your pocket and you can walk into any environment and record what you want to record. Let me take the plastic wrapper off from the front and the back. Oh, it's a bit difficult one-handed, but listen to that sound. Let's break it down. I'm going to be really basic and go from the top. So the top has two microphone inputs right at the top. Then you have the screen, the toggles buttons right in the front for mute, volume, turn it on, play, left, right, that sort of thing. On the side of it, you've got a micro SD slot and a save and record button. On the other side, you've got the size of the device, which for me is 8 gigabytes, which is going to last me a while, and a on and off button. It's that simple. You turn it on, you move across to audio recording, and then you turn it on to record, and then slide it back down for save. And it's really that simple. There's a manual that comes with it, but I didn't really read it because it's so intuitive. The box itself comes with the cable to export or import any music you want to, and the, as I said, user manual. So when you turn it on, when you first turn it on, it'll automatically go to music. You can slide across to voice and then slide again across to settings where you can set language, time, bitrate, so on. You can even control the backlight of the device, making sure it doesn't interfere with anything. And just to give you a small preview of how well this records and picks up sound, I'm recording from my iPhone here, and this is the sound that is recorded from the audio device here. Just listen to the difference. I know iPhones are good, but this might be your next best thing. And for context, this is a busy road at rush hour traffic with roadworks happening at the same time. So a lot is happening. My favorite thing by far is the reflection from this. I mean, I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, but I really do like how reflective it is on the front and back. And it's actually quite durable because it's made from metal and not plastic. So not that I advise it, but you could drop it and it probably still survive. And most importantly, look how cute it is. It just fits in your pocket. The link to this dictaphone is in the description below, so why not check it out and have a look. It's well worth the money, it's quite reasonable, and it's worth a shot, and it'll up your game if you're starting off from beginners. Hit like to save this for later.